Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash Royale on school computer. Only way. Ask permission from teachers or IT staff before attempting any game-related activity and use approved devices only. I will describe safe options like playing on your own phone with mobile data, using a home computer, or joining supervised clubs where gaming is permitted. This keeps you out of trouble and respects school resources and policies. If you want to enjoy Clash Royale without violating rules, use your personal device and mobile data, or play at home where restrictions do not apply. Another option is requesting supervised playtime through a teacher or club that follows school guidelines. You can also explore approved strategy games that build the same skills and keep your account safe. These approaches protect your privileges and maintain a positive relationship with school staff. Protecting your Clash Royale account is important no matter where you play, so never enter passwords on unknown computers or share credentials. Enable two-factor authentication and link your account to a secure email to prevent loss. Avoid installing or running unauthorized software on school machines, and back up progress through official account connections. Following these simple habits keeps your account safe, helps you recover progress, and avoids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.